Hey everyone! Welcome back to Health is Wealth, where we bring you the best tips and insights for a healthier, happier life. Today, we're tackling a topic that's at the heart, literally, of overall wellness: heart-healthy foods. Whether you're just starting your journey to better health or you're a seasoned pro, it's never too late to make your heart a priority. Our hearts work tirelessly for us every single day, pumping blood, delivering oxygen, and keeping us going strong. But did you know that the foods you eat can either help or hinder this vital organ? That's right. The right diet can significantly lower your risk of heart disease, reduce blood pressure, and even improve your cholesterol levels. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most powerful heart-healthy foods out there. From the rich omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish to the fiber-packed benefits of whole grains, these foods are not just good for your heart, they're delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, whether you're looking to prevent heart issues or just want to keep your ticker in top condition, stay tuned. You won't want to miss what we've got in store. First, fatty fish, e.g., salmon, mackerel, sardines. Fatty fish are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease. Omega-3s have been shown to lower blood pressure by improving the elasticity of blood vessels and decreasing blood vessel constriction. They also help reduce triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood that, when elevated, can increase the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of fatty fish can lead to improved heart health by reducing the overall inflammatory response and supporting healthy blood lipid levels. Nuts, e.g., almonds, walnuts. Nuts are packed with unsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. They contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that can help lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol in the blood while raising levels of good HDL cholesterol. Nuts are also rich in fiber and antioxidants, such as vitamin E and selenium, which contribute to their heart protective effects. The fiber helps improve cholesterol levels and supports healthy digestion, while antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, further promoting cardiovascular health. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. ALA helps reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels. The fiber in flax seeds also aids in cholesterol reduction by binding to bile acids and promoting their excretion. This process helps lower LDL cholesterol levels and supports overall cardiovascular health. Berries, e.g., blueberries, strawberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and offer a range of health benefits. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Studies suggest that regular consumption of berries can improve blood vessel function, reduce blood pressure, and lower LDL cholesterol levels. The high fiber content in berries also supports heart health by aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels and promoting healthy cholesterol levels. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known for their heart-healthy properties. These fats can help reduce inflammation and lower LDL cholesterol levels while raising HDL cholesterol levels. Olive oil is also a source of antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help protect blood vessels from damage caused by oxidative stress. Regular use of olive oil in the diet has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and improved overall cardiovascular health. Leafy greens, e.g., spinach, kale. Leafy greens are nutrient-dense, providing a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are particularly high in nitrates, which have been shown to improve blood vessel function and lower blood pressure by enhancing the production of nitric oxide. This compound helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing cardiovascular strain. The antioxidants in leafy greens also combat oxidative stress, further supporting heart health. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which can help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL cholesterol. They are also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. Additionally, avocados contain fiber and antioxidants, which contribute to overall heart health by supporting healthy cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Lycopene helps lower LDL cholesterol levels and improves blood vessel function. Additionally, tomatoes provide vitamins C and E, which further contribute to heart health by protecting blood vessels from oxidative damage and reducing inflammation. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and overall cardiovascular function. They also contain zinc, which supports heart health by contributing to normal blood pressure regulation and immune function. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds help reduce oxidative stress, further supporting cardiovascular health. Whole grains, e.g., brown rice, quinoa. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which plays a crucial role in lowering cholesterol levels and improving heart health. They contain essential nutrients such as B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which contribute to cardiovascular health. The fiber in whole grains helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports healthy digestion. By replacing refined grains with whole grains, you can improve cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and support overall cardiovascular well-being. And that's a wrap on our journey through heart-healthy foods. I hope you found some new favorites to add to your diet and feel inspired to take care of your heart in delicious ways. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have any heart-healthy foods you love? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more ways to live your healthiest life.